Hey guys, and welcome to another random reviews video. And today I have for you guys a Chevron tanker truck. First of all, let me point out there's a couple buttons up here that you you don't push, but you pull, or you like this. And it makes a noise, and this button back right here makes the tail lights come on. Like that. Alright. There you go. Alright. And the other two are just for looks. So, yeah, so it's white. You can see the Chevron logo right there. I don't know much about this. There's nothing much to it probably, but if any of you guys know anything that are watching this, please post in the comments anything about it. And yeah, so let's get a front view of this thing. Front view, side view, and a back view. And this is the other side. See if you can see the inside in there. Has a little fire hydrant on the side. Turn it around completely. Has some hoses on this side. And a few knobs down there. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this tanker truck review. And as you guys can see, it does come off. I forgot to show you that. It does come off. So if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, comment, or subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next random reviews video.